Yeah, man, no, Nikki's do it better. I know you don't like me. You wanna fight me.
Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing something that I've literally wanted to do since I started my channel like 3 weeks ago, and that is doing clouds on my face, probably in this section right here. I haven't done anything yet, so I'm really hoping that this comes out well. If it doesn't, you guys probably would never even know because this video will not be going up. But I really hope that it goes well, and I'm guessing that this video is going to take me forever, so it's probably a long one. Sorry about that in advance, but just go grab a snack or a drink and let's get started. To start, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and prime my eyes off camera, just because there's nothing new there and you guys are probably sick of seeing that anyway. Before I get into this look, let me just let you know what palette I'm in. So I'm going to be in the James Charles palette. Huge surprise there, I'm sure. And I will be taking a combination of this pink shade right here, this orange shades up here, some combination, except this shimmer right here. I'm not using that one, but the mattes right there, and then this yellow shade right here. I kind of want to create a like sunset effect on my eyes, since we will be doing like clouds on my face. And again, I cannot say clouds on my face without doing that motion. Anyway, speed up the video. They killed this album. I don't care what anybody says. Okay guys, so now that I have the top of my eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup sped up too, just because there's nothing new there really, and this isn't about the face, it's not about the eyes, it's about the clouds. And again, I cannot say it without pointing to where I'm putting the clouds. Anyway, I'll be right back.
Dollar bill, come get her. Even your man know Nikki's do it better. I know you don't like me. You wanna fight me.
Okay y'all, so now that I have finished up the rest of my face makeup as well as putting lashes on, I am ready to go into trying to form the clouds and the background for the clouds. I am so nervous. I was going to trial do this look like 2 days ago, and just so that like I knew what I was doing and what I was like getting myself into, but then I just didn't. I never didn't have the time. So I'm just gonna wing it today and hope for the best. If not, it'll probably just be this eye look tutorial. Okay, so the girl that I saw do this went in with blush first and just kind of put it like in this kind of line, like kind of like where my freckles are is basically where I'm going to be putting blush. And today I will be going into this palette right here. I'm going to take this color right here and start out outlining where I want it to go. And then I'm going to use the pink a little bit more since I used pink and orange on my eye. I feel like that is the best combination. Guys, this feels weird already. 2 seconds in. It just feels weird to like be trying to put blush like intentionally on like my nose. I'm like praying that this comes out well because I've literally wanted to do this for so long. This actually looks cute, like with my little like look, it just looks like I got sunburnt, honestly. This is what my sunburn looks like. And I'm not really sure, if you're wondering, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do anything under my eye yet, so that's why I've kind of held off on that so far, because I just don't know if I'm gonna do something or what I'm gonna do. Okay, I feel like that's like more than enough to start out with. I can always add more later. I just don't want to go too crazy and not be able like to take it off in the end. I also have no idea what this black mark on the back of my hand is. Irrelevant. Let's get into making the clouds. Guys, I'm so nervous. I like pray that this goes well. This has to go well. Okay, y'all, so to do this, I'm going to be taking this brush right here, which just is like a flat pointed brush and a very light or white concealer. You can also use white face paint I saw people using, but this is also the lightest shade, especially for me, so I'm just gonna go in with this one. I think I'm gonna bring you guys in just a little bit more so that you can see exactly what I'm doing, though I don't know what I'm doing. First cloud done. I don't love him, but she's cute, right? Okay, so now that I did one, I'm actually gonna talk you guys through what I'm doing. So basically with this brush, I think it is easier to have at least a brush that has a rounded tip on it, just because it helps you to create the kind of arches within the clouds. So this part is easier to make because I can kind of create that little dome shape. And then after grabbing some more, you're just gonna go right next to it and create another little like half dome shape. Just don't take it obviously too far up because you want to show that like it's kind of in like a ripple effect. Then you're gonna want to draw the lines out once you get done creating all the little bumps in the clouds. You're gonna want to take this out. And just kind of straighten it out a little bit. And that's pretty much the rhythm that I'm kind of working in. I mean, it is only my second one. Because please remember that we're gonna be going back in with other colors to like go underneath and add depth and stuff like that. So you just want the outline of how you would want the cloud to be. I'm gonna try to do one straight across my nose, so I probably won't talk. Hopefully I can fix that one, but I think she's cute for the moment. All right, let's move on. We have like 2 more left over here, and then I think I'm gonna add in some like stars and just like little things like that towards the end, but let's finish the clouds. Just like one bigger one back there, and then I think we will have the clouds done, y'all. I'm not mad. It's not as hard as I really thought it was gonna be. It really isn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. I really thought that it was gonna be like so challenging, and it's really not. It's really just like when I tell you guys that it does not have to be perfect, I am not kidding. It does not have to be perfect whatsoever. Like, I am not doing perfection here. I'm just drawing and hoping for the best. So just take your time, honestly, and you'll be okay. It looks so freaking cute. Oh my God, it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. So now we need to take a smaller brush. So I'm going to take this paddle brush right here that's a little bit pointed, and we are going to go back into the colors that we used before. So I'm going to be taking a mixture of that blush color from before and the hot pink shade in the James Charles palette, and just defining underneath the cloud, adding some definition to the actual clouds to make them, give them a little bit more depth, make them stand out a little bit more. So this part is really just about adding definition. Add color where you think you need color so that it doesn't all look like one thing. I don't love all of these clouds over here, but they definitely are their own thing. And trust me, the look isn't over yet. We still have more to do. So just bear with yourself. It's really fine if you don't get it like perfect. There is no such thing as perfect with this look, honestly. Okay guys, just to amp it up one step more, I'm gonna take this NYX Epic Wear white liner and draw dots for stars and maybe even some like actual diamonds for stars. Okay guys, so now that I have done the stars, I have done the shading, the depth, the clouds, we are almost finished. Don't even know how long this is gonna be. I feel like I've been filming for hours. But I'm gonna take that orange and pink shade that we use on the top of the eye and just go underneath to finish off the rest of the eye. And taking some mascara. This one is just one from Sephora. Love it. Okay guys, so now we are to the final look. I genuinely am so happy with the way this came out. I was very nervous at the beginning. You guys know, you saw me trembling in my boots. I didn't know how this was even gonna go. I had no practice or plan, but really I think they came out really well. It's really not that hard at all, and I really hope that I was able to explain it well enough for you guys to feel like you can do it too, because you really can. All you need is blush, concealer, or a white paint, and a little angled brush. That's genuinely all you need to complete this look. And I just want to say thanks for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me do something else on my face. Like people do like a whole galaxy theme. That would be cool. So let me know if you want to see me do that down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Wait, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that bell notification button so that you are notified when I post again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.